Welcome to today's video. Guys, look at all those ants in that bowl. Ants everywhere in this house, guys. But we are going to be eating a lot of sweets today. I'm just like looking for something in it, and there's nothing really in it. We have got tons of sweets as Emily Rosa's got there.
And look inside. Yummy, yummy.
If we look inside, we have got all those sweeties.
Yummy, yummy. I'm going to eat them all without anyone noticing.
No, Emily don't. I hate it when people do that, guys, but what's...
Look, there's still a load of ants here.
There, put the bag there.
Jesus Christ.
We're going to be eating our sweeties.
I don't care. I'm eating them all.
Anyway.
Thanks. Put the whole bag.
But I've got this. Let's try it. They've tried a lot of sugar.
Yeah. I hate this thing. Disgusting. Anything on the note, leave a comment down below. And if you know what it is, please leave a comment, because I hate it so much. I even hate sweeties.
There's a bunch of ants there, and there's a bunch of ants up there.
And a bunch of ants there. And a bunch of
Guys,
ants
this is
there.
so sugary.
No!
Can't take it much longer.
Can't take what much longer.
I'm rubbing them.
You're rubbing the sweets. You do have to make a YouTube video, so you better not be that silly. Oh, I don't know what to do today, guys.
Let's run away!
Alright, guys, I miss good.
You can look around that corner and fold.
That's my cousin
Okay.
Lucy.
I'm still rubbing the sweet.
Stop rubbing the sweets.
Stop rubbing the sweet. You're weird.
Seriously. Yeah, put the pool out there.
You know this girl here who's singing that? She's weird. Because I'm still rubbing the sweet.
I didn't even sing anything. That's my left hat. Say hi. Don't grab my phone.
I'm the brewer.
Guys, we are
Look
going.
at those sweets. I'm going to eat them all in my tummy.
Guys, we have got our pool out there. It's all green water.
It's disgusting, and if you want it,
It's all
you
green.
comment down below, and we live on 8 Popular Close. If you want to get in it, come in it.
Hi, but guys, that was basically so green.
Can somebody...
But guys, we have to end this video here right now. See you guys next time. Goodbye.